Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Ford Mondeo here. Just going to show you how to check the remaining oil life on this one. So on this one, I'm going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and then the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. And from here, you're going to click along until you get to the menus. And scroll down to settings and clicking OK. Then clicking OK on vehicle. Then scroll down until you get to oil life. Clicking OK. And then here it's going to tell you how long you've got left until you change the oil. So this one, for example, has 80% left. And once you've done it, you can hold OK to reset it.